Yeah, kai mo. Yenjai da. Say yenjai ni anya de yenkodi de enhwe. Na umpe we na pekaya motium. Inti, as we speak tonight, this statement from Asamoah Gyan should make every young person see Asamoah Gyan as a day, Asamoah Gyan as a hypocrite. So Asamoah Gyan bejina TV so ka asem chow the young person say, oh.
They just say I come asem and I say why you mean Tino? No, it's here asem na okan.
The MPP as a political party, he joined them to campaign to lie to you. And the Wababe catcher say he has not been fair to you. It means Asamoah Gyan has done you damage. You kwasia de tibo e bititi TV so Kevin Taylor or Asamoah Gyan so kwasia wo wiskada.
So Kevin Taylor. Oh yeah, I like that man. People can say when he's talking passionate. They just say I come asem and I say why you mean Tino? No, it's here asem na okan.
I'm for we measure. We are not much more there. We the Yendru and they were down Hanomo. Okay. Now, Owole Monko, Asamoah Gyan biaba bontene. Now, Asamoah Gyan story ni nyina say, or say, I have not been fair to the youth and the people of Ghana. Henceforth, I am not affiliated with any political party. Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan abetro statement they ato abontene say ende onye MPP ni biem. Nkofo busa say, hey, na de na esi, de na ekoso. Asamoah Gyan adan Aden MPP for Amoya Kronfo sa no matter Asamoah Gyan good anima say. Na Asamoah Gyan or MPP for den. Ami yi info number. Enti nipa bebre ti Ghana omo busa say na MPP we no omo jimi ana e den na Asamoah Gyan e join ni omo from dada e den na ma Asamoah Gyan. I'm trying to find something first. E den na ma Asamoah Gyan and sorry ya Asamoah Gyan say ono onye MPP ni biem. The question you should be asking yourself and say, a DNA Asamoah Gyan decided to obey release this statement, sir. BBS Yana. I don't think Asamoah Gyan any bold. Emba Bontin Bekancha Ghana for say, this is the reason why I'm saying me MPP ni biem. Me try me pay BB actual. Come. All right, Emba me ambe yinaba. Now, Konkonsa mudo, yeso munyina yedin. Hey. Konkonsa. Inti yebusa question ne say. Yebusa question say, adentina suddenly Asamoah Gyan betro say we deceive the youth of Ghana. Sa statement away from Asamoah Gyan is a serious statement. He has not been fair, meaning he lied to the young people of Ghana. Me betina ka chem say Asamoah Gyan so okotobi. Suddenly Asamoah Gyan so ne Bawumia ne nam. Asamoah Gyan was doing politics with the youth of Ghana. Asamoah Gyan does not care about any young person in Ghana. Asamoah Gyan has always been a selfish individual. He has always cared about himself. So, or the Ghana youth, that is what he would do. As we speak tonight, this statement from Asamoah Gyan should make every young person see Asamoah Gyan as a day, Asamoah Gyan as a hypocrite. So Asamoah Gyan bejina TV so ka asem chow the young person say, oh, Tuma Bawumia, MPP party, I'll say Otudun Sogunu ho. Because on one day, the Numa catcher will say, the MPP as a political party, he joined them to campaign to lie to you. And the Wababe catcher will say he has not been fair to you. It means Asamoah Gyan has done you damage. Asamoah Gyan is the enemy of the youth. And I expect the young people of Ghana to think. They be a catch them. These boys don't care about you people. They care only about themselves. Now, my mention the Kudientia, Asamoah Gyan say we jai MPP. Okay? My mention, Asamoah Gyan, the singing say, Omo di Asamoah Gyan to. Yaka Omo di Asamoah Gyan to. It's in quote. Me betchero. There's this young man, this gentleman called Franklin. Papa we. Your friend Franklin. Right? Now, Sir Franklin way na konta any Sami Awuku. I'm trying to get everything right for you. Me pese me de Franklin no ne social media handle show send be you will pull it out. Okay. Now, this guy called Franklin oware Sami Awuku nua ba. Na Sir Franklin we on Sami Awuku and a Kofi Asamoah Gyan be joining Bawumia campaign. In fact, it was Sami Awuku who brought Asamoah Gyan se ombra embe joining embe joining Bawumia campaign. And then he used this guy who is Nakonta. Right? Now, this guy on Sami Awuku edi Asamoah Gyan ebe joining Bawumia campaign. MPP forecast say Asamoah Gyan has a lot of record bia. It will solve the campaign of Bawumia. And Sami Awuku ka say o omo hia Asamoah Gyan. If Asamoah Gyan astate adie bi efeno regional tour on nanam Ghana kikan some kire youth no inti omo person mu use Asamoah Gyan na ode omo de ne campaign. Right? Now remember Asamoah Gyan or started sa ne nyoma no omo approach no omo ka kire Asamoah Gyan say omo person omo ma no the ministerial job omo person come be the sports minister. Enti omo ti committee na omo de Asamoah Gyan to ano say onye chairman of the sports committee no because Asamoah Gyan adwene wo fom nti na adwene ye ne say the sports committee Bawumia manifesto committee no technically wabeda ne minister. Enti omo wie manifesto committee sports omo ye omo manifesto wie no omo gu committee no e ho na Asamoah Gyan be hu said abi the people are not even calling me again. At this point they don't even respect me. What is going on? Into this guy, your friend Franklin. Or no, and the lady Asamoah Gyan. Now Asamoah Gyan ever joining Bawumia campaign. No? They made him understand, say they wanted him to lie to the young people of Ghana. On for an regional tour now, or on converting into a campaign Emma Bawumia. And it's na who say Asamoah Gyan na on Bawumia mo enam na Sami Awuku and orchestrate we nyina. Now because Asamoah Gyan is not that smart, something happened. Omo ka Asamoah Gyan say sa ne regional tour ade na odi aba no. Say the tour no the same time on Bawumia nama. Amanfo be hu say sika bi ba no hwa. People will say Bawumia any aban musika no matamama because na oni omatena say for money. And there was an amount they were going to pay Asamoah Gyan. That is $5 million. Asamoah Gyan won't $5 million. And Asamoah Gyan can say, okay, now what he wants to do, then they say, Sir Franklin guy will catch Asamoah Gyan and say, oh, person will change the registration of Asamoah Gyan regional tour. No, na manipa na company ni be ne dia no ebe anonymous send be ya obiantumi en connect say sika bi ba Asamoah Gyan wa it is not in the name of Asamoah Gyan. What happened was that this guy your friend Franklin oye Sami Awuku akonta no he turned around and what he did was Sir Franklin when the nephew no what for see your friend no Prince Osei Ochre and akwa way behind the scenes no omu change Asamoah Gyan the whole event no omu di edino ne wo fa se na efre no Prince Osei Ochre omu di ni din without Asamoah Gyan's knowledge tie elintina me no ka say Asamoah Gyan ohedem osu. Now after they did the changes of the company, the name, the ownership, no, this guy he's like an event organizer ne ade on this Sami Awuku tinas no mu say Asamoah Gyan e Jimmy. So what they did was that sir $5 million no. When the money came inside, Asamoah Gyan enya access to the money. And a boy we ene Sami Awuku mu e boost kadim. Until later, and Asamoah Gyan be hu say ne whole thing no sika no krampo so e dia shem personally no over $300,000. Because remember, time about Bawumia Efra Asamoah Gyan so me joining no. Now Asamoah Gyan started yes sa tour original tour no soccer the end no. Now I invested close to $300,000 wom as sika na she. Inti in Kofi we buy and Asamoah Gyan wa emre inti no Gyan say this is the money so ne Bawumia na ntina so koye or affiliated with Bawumia campaign now they are going to drop the $5 million for him. And a guy with your friend Franklin Sami Awuku den Sami Awuku akontane no oware Sami Awuku nua ba into ne Sami Awuku tina sia na modwene mu say Asamoah Gyan e Jimmy And what they did was that they registered the whole thing in Eden. Ochre na your friend no prince or say ochre akwa we were fast in dimu. And technically Asamoah Gyan was rendered stupid. Later Asamoah Gyan be say manifesto committee na yeguno. Nobody is calling me. The money I'm expecting to come in, the money I have put in, ninyina is gone. What is happening? I want Asamoah Gyan be say kai amanfo ne talk. And there was a meeting that at that point, Sami Awuku who said Asamoah Gyan is angry. Nanko say Andrew Asamoah Gyan a press conference. A catcher Ghana for say Bawumia MPP for me a crom for. Bawumia and Sami Awuku they've been calling Asamoah Gyan like 200 times. Asamoah Gyan is not picking up. Asamoah Gyan shedemu na osu. Oh the monko or shedem na osu. Now, the man Assembly cry crazy didn't say after Brante womo fast can do and this guy decided to go and meet Asamoah Gyan to go and lie to Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan ankasa fie. And this is what happened. Baby Jet. Enti akwa we kwa Asamoah Gyan fie no, de ekosi ho na me de be kire mo hwe. Enti Asamoah Gyan ko horo ene paye enti akwa ne be hia Asamoah Gyan say my story obesa hwe bi memo asa hwe bi oh there's a longer version Asamoah Gyan hwa ko bi aso mo abontene Asamoah Gyan ko so mo chini tum an innocent man Asamoah Gyan hwe na so mo room ho Asamoah Gyan has to be in jail me mamo sound because me say me mamo sound be later Asamoah Gyan needs to do a press conference because the documentations are made bano. Asamoah Gyan, you cannot get out of this because you have basically lied to millions of young people in Ghana. Me catch out say what you are doing, no stop. But you were greedy. You thought to say, Obie Jimmy, you have done politics for a long time. You wanted to mislead the youth. Into this meeting about Franklin Eba Beshi Asamoah Gyan no. And Asamoah Gyan can say, na mama di misika. Mo sa ba ba keka into Sami Awuku de no jina gate nechi. Asamoah Gyan, at the end of the day, $5 million, he knows he needs to come out and tell us, say, because I have more to show Ghana for. Where Asamoah Gyan on a Franklin, this is the meeting. Asamoah Gyan oni abudro. Na the MSS says Asamoah Gyan deceive young people in Ghana. What he did, he needs to have a press conference. And think of the young people in Ghana, they could $5 million a dikwa. Open sound the other sound out there. What is sound the other? What is sound the other? Mema sound in abutre na mo predodo. Mema mo sound, mema wa Asamoah Gyan ne Bawumia, mema wa Asamoah Gyan ne de Sami Awuku. Mema wo sound. I don't know what pre wo. Open sound, open sound, mema wo sound. Now, I'm giving Asamoah Gyan 48 hours on the press conference. It will help him. Because when you go outside Ghana, Asamoah Gyan has no credibility again. Asamoah Gyan outside Ghana, they see him as a chronic liar who wanted to use Unim. Asamoah Gyan cannot go out there and sell anything to anybody out there, say, or per se, or ye bibima the youth of Ghana. He is a liar. And it's going to follow him. Because young people in Ghana, Asamoah Gyan wanted to just go sell them for $5 million. Keke. And anytime I catch them conform to TV, nobody did attempt yet Asamoah Gyan there. Asamoah Gyan is greedy. Meno kasana ju osede musu. Sign the 16 regional tours ne go. Right now he has no option than go and borrow money and do it. Only ska. All right. More person that then missing part 2, part 3 wo. And this problem is Sami Awuku. Sasika make Sami Awuku dimbe 2.5 million. Waje. And into Sami Awuku sorry no to media. I was a Ghana media obi antumi Sami Awuku asem. We tia obi aka. Sami Awuku has paid every media house. Sami Awuku the best job and say we a media person now you're critical, he will find a way to become your friend. And the first thing he will do is to try and say, oh, Unya, and the way they were with him. And that is what he does. Into every journalist in Ghana, 90% of them, Sami Awuku has given them money. And to me, Sami Awuku because Sami Awuku catch a presidential ambition. Me say what to say obiaka Sami Awuku wasamda. They don't. They know Sami Awuku is committing crime at NLA. They don't. Because, oh no, the strategy you say, or spread this sika our ground, media houses, he will pay you. And you can pontina Asamoah Gyan the same way, media no cry, they are not on it because this goes to the spine of soccer players in Ghana. This is dangerous. Asamoah Gyan misled millions of young people. This is not a joke. This is something the media need to call out Asamoah Gyan and tell him that he should be ashamed of himself and he should not come close to anything called we are organizing soccer. The media needs to be very, very strict. On somebody on Cyber so because Sami Awuku is telling them that they should not speak on it. And this goes to the spine of Bawumia's campaign. The Bawumia's campaign has always been about lies. People they don't care about Ghanaians. They don't care about anybody. So also be the Bawumia chia na sika na kasa of the bemano. It is not about your interest. It is not about you, the young person watching Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan does not care about you. Asamoah Gyan needs his money. So nisika ma the same thing occurring in Brazil no. Okochi shebo SBH say munye demonstration na make captain the men kasa the same thing he did in Brazil. Time and end this war power. Asamoah Gyan ko share boys SBH and oya den okwo wo moti because munye demonstration the president then called Asamoah Gyan, let me talk to you captain. Or say onye riffraff like you. Asamoah Gyan did not talk to the president because they wanted the NDC to make a mistake. Send a the partner of finance and power. And the one with the Omudiano. Omuye ran on the Coma Tenny said, Sule Muntari Abua. Muntari, when I tell you, ended this Sule Muntari at them. Sule Muntari, no eh. Player Ben or Campa one just can be. By the end of the day, it was Sule Muntari on a 10 year boy, to be dinner. Tell me more. Somebody see what camp no. And yes, Asamoah Gyan captain. Tonado Muna, and then you can say, oh, Sule Muntari. Wo Sule Muntari. Wo na udinda so. Player Ben or camp one just can be. Kwasi afo we na mudi omochi. Bloggers bedidi. Bloggers, hey, a video bedidi Kevin tell ava we ochira. Obi a we rent. And then they say 532 about 532. And then 12 September. Hey, what you right there? Bloggers bedidi. Bloggers papa ba. Bloggers papa befie. Me badi abu bedidi. Bloggers mo for we nko. Why? Ochira mesa ma another one. Many Asamoah Gyan wie you. Me so on press conference. All right. Now, mo me nko enim. It's exactly 5:33, which is 9:33 in Ghana. Oh, you kwasia dirty boy bit TV so Kevin Taylor or Asamoah Gyan so kwasia. Wo skada. Wa bobra, wo skada. Munja Jimmy no, munti bibia se amombre mo ase. Mo fiefin. Mo da mo fin se bola so. Mo bo brother, mo ni my dear friend bra. Mo yisika bo brother. De bia mo wo se mpreko mo nya adwene. Mo kan. Asamoah Gyan mo ko busa no. Oh Lord. ana we de hu total rejected ballot